G'day guys, just want to get a video out, show you guys a trade that's setting up. Basically looking at Bitcoin here as a potential shorting opportunity. What I'm seeing here is that obviously we saw that really strong bounce from about 11,000-ish. Typically what we've seen with Bitcoin after previous falls is that when it's bounced and sort of taken off relatively quickly. Now the market is changing, there are futures available, there are more opportunities to short this to make money. So the dynamics change slightly. How it's changed, I don't know, because it hasn't happened yet. We haven't seen this before in recent hype times. If you recall over here, back in these days, let me just bring us back a little bit and bring that bigger. Look at what happened here. When we pulled back to 3,000, we bounced beautifully, moved to here, higher low, and then pushed on to the new uptrend and a higher high. What we're seeing at the moment may be something similar, where we may push back down and get ourselves to maybe about 13,000 or 12,600, somewhere around here, and see a move back to the upside. Now let me just do a little, actually no, I'll do it on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is where I'm looking at this as a potential trade. I like the support level that we've got here because it goes back some way. I know it's broken down through here, but keep in mind that was the sort of mayhem selling that we do see on Bitcoin. We've got lower highs coming in now. We were confused here. We had a higher low, higher high, so that was technically an uptrend. Didn't hold, and now we've come back down, retested that support a second time, and we've pulled back up. Lower high, which means the buyers are less in control. There are less buyers to bring the bounce back up, and we're just about touching down here again now. So it's not a precise level, but what I'm looking to do here as an entry is to get short below this low here. So the low is 13,500, entry 13,499. I'm looking to have a stop loss above the most recent higher low here, which is high 15105, so 15106. And what's that calculate to as a stop loss? The trade risk on that one, I say 15, oh, damn it, I should have written it down. 13500, 13499, and 15. Oh god, I'm very amateur here. Hang on, give me 1 sec. The high of that is 15105, 15105. 3499, 13499. All right, so start that calculation again. 15105. Take 13499. $1,606 stop. All right. So therefore, I need to take for my entry 13499. Take away 1604. I'm looking for a target of 11,895. So where's that? 11,895. Something down 11,895. Something around here. So that's my stop loss. So that's my target. First target, stop loss up here, entry here. First target 1-to-1 to scale out. I could just lock in a profit there. I will scale out because I like this as a hedge against my other coins that I hold, and we'll see how that goes. It'll be very interesting to see how this plays out. The trend reversal would be very clear if we are to break down through this low, because we'll have a new lower low. The 4 hour will be in a downtrend at that moment in time. We'll see how the 8 hour looks. The 8 hour will agree with that, and it's a very clear looking pattern there. So people will say, oh, it's a head and shoulders top. I don't really care about names, like you'll learn from my programs, guys. Names don't mean anything to me. It's a reversal of trend. That way I don't have to worry about thinking about all the names. So there it is. It's Bitcoin on the 4 hour, a shorting signal that I've got up here. I'm going to see how we go. If I get an entry, if it breaks down below this level first, I'll be in. If it doesn't break down and it moves back up and it breaks this high, well then I'll cancel my short order. Good convergence there coming into the break as well. I'll just do one more check on the 2 hour. Yeah, all is good there. The 4 hours where I'm at, that's what I'm. 2 hours doesn't really add anything. 4 hours good, 8 hours good. Even the daily is starting to look good, even though for it to be technically in a downtrend, we've got to have this broken, but this lower high and this support breaking would be of significance. We may actually see, where could we see a run to? Back to the weekly. We could actually see, based on Fibonacci, a bit deeper pullback from here to here, about 9 grand, sort of what I'm thinking, 9.5. We could see a pullback into around that 9,000, back into this cradle zone, back into the equilibrium point, which we saw back here before the last move, back here before the last move, a little pullback here, very big move. We just tested it again, but it looks as though we may actually see Bitcoin move to the downside. That 4-hour chart here, that's my money shot. If it breaks there, I'll be short. I'll be hanging on for a bit. Cheers guys, bye.